Hello guys, I'm Manpreet and today I'm presenting you a book review video. It's a contemporary thriller which is so amazing, which completely blew me off because I didn't expect such a good thriller from a debut author in India, and I didn't expect such a good political thriller because the last one I read I thought that was the best an Indian author could ever do, but this is even better. So if you want to know about this book, keep watching this video. The book I'm talking about is The Four Patriots by Sumit Agarwal. Now this book was sent to me for review, and to be honest, when I got it, I was like, I don't want to read it because it was being promoted as a book, that would ignite the feeling of patriotism in you, and that is something I'm not really interested in. I don't even want to get into the subject of patriotism, and because of that, I was a bit turned off when I, picked up this book. But while I was busy with procrastination, I came across several reviews about this book and they turned out to be so good. I was like, I want to read it. So I started reading this book. In this review, I'm going to tell you about the plot, the characters, and the writing style of the book and how it impressed me so much. So first of all, what this book is about, this is about these four guys, Salman, Raghav, Aditya and Varun, who are from different professions, and they ultimately come together to fight a Chakravyuh. Now Chakravyuh is basically a very complex thing which if you get into it, you cannot get out and you ultimately die. It's like a war strategy thingy which is from Mahabharata. Now the book says that they are going to be in that Chakravyuh, and you have to see whether any one of them is able to get out or not. Now the book revolves around themes of friendship, love, dedication, patriotism and things like that. All of the things you heard before was just me blabbering about this book. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you about myself and my reading experience with this book. So I started reading this book and while I was on my way to home, and the moment I flipped the first page, I was like, oh my god, this is good. I was like Donna from Suits and I was like, oh my god, this is awesome. I am completely loving that show as much as I'm completely loving this book right now, okay? So once I started reading this book, I realized this book was written in a very, very beautiful manner. Usually I talk about the plot first, but the writing in this book is so smooth, so flowy. I have to tell you about it and the way the author has written this book. Now guys, this is a contemporary thriller. So most of the thrillers which I have read until now are like, there is this one plot twist, there is this one or two, three plot twist in the same plot, and then the author revolves the entire story around it, and mostly the books are of 300-400 pages based around this one twist, okay, one sort of plot. But this book acts as a thriller, a standalone thriller in every single chapter. So there is this massive opening to the chapters which you are like, oh my god, what is going to happen next? You're gonna imagine some really crazy, creepy, bad things, and sometimes even good, and then the author is gonna blow you out with something else and you're like, ew, what happened? Sometimes you're excited as well, but my first experience with this kind of thing which author does in the complete book was like, oh my god. I even tweeted to him on Twitter and I was like, what the hell did you do? And that is what he does in the entire book, and I think that is what anybody who wants to read thrillers would expect from a book. This book shocks you, pleases you, disgusts you at every single chapter in a different way. That is so amazing. Now talking about the characters, now this book is obviously about the four characters, and I didn't expect that in this book, when the author is experimenting so much with the small thriller plots inside the main plot, I didn't expect that he could give that much space to the characters, but I was so very wrong. I have never been happy to be wrong this much ever before, but yes, he does that. And what what you will realize while you read this book is, apart from these four main characters which you obviously get to connect with and know, and you get to love and hate them at the same time, you really connect with them, okay? But there are these small characters which may be a very small guy from your colony, or or a bureaucrat, or some of your guards and stuff like that. All those characters, and the author in just a few words blends a story around them and makes you connect with them. And I was like, wow, that is pretty amazing. You do that with every single character in your book and it's like amazing. And yes, another thing I had to say about the writing style is that although I think my blog review was much better because I did it just after I read the book, my intense feelings about this book are in that blog review, which you should check. But otherwise, the writing style and the way the book has been written, I didn't expect that from a debut author, because you just don't do that with a book. This book seems to be like, with every chapter there is something which this person worked upon for months. I don't know how much time it took him to write this book, but this seems to be like a effort which is worth appreciating, because it's so good. And if you don't even care about the author, care about yourself, get this book. If you like thrillers, and I promise you that you will love this book. That's like my confidence in myself, because when I say I hate that book, I so mean it that I would fight with the world to prove that that book is so bad. But when I say I love one book, I will fight with the whole world to prove that it's a book worth reading. So this is one which is worth reading. You should definitely check it out. My ratings were actually 4.5 stars, but if you check it on Goodreads, on Amazon, because they don't let you do 4.5 stars, I gave them 5 stars. But I thoroughly love this book. Yes guys, that's my overall review for this book, and I certainly don't like saying all good things about this book, but once in a while, which is precisely like once in a year, where I am all praises for the book, and this is one of those books, and I do hope I find more of these in this year. But if not, this is my book for the year. Thank you so much guys for watching this review. Do let me know if you have read this. I know a lot of Indian booktubers and Indian book reviewers have read this book and they love it, but I want to know from you guys who read books just for fun and not to make videos or not to make vlogs, what do you think about this book. So let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, do hit thumbs up. Let me get it to like 113 likes, because that's sort of my lucky number. If you get it, I'll be very thankful to you guys. That's it for today's book review video. I'll be back with another book review video very soon. I'm currently loving these book review videos like never before, thanks to Jessie the Reader. And yes, thank you so much for watching. This is Manvi signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.